What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. So I got to answer this question, and look, I don't mean to address the quote-unquote troll. Maybe you weren't trolling, maybe you're just being real, but I got to educate, because what I'm saying is not just speaking out of my mouth or out of my butt. It's actual facts, and I'm really careful with what I say. I research, I ask the right questions, I meet with the right people, and that's how these videos are birthed. And that's all the decisions I make on my car, on my builds, on DIYs and consultations and all that fun stuff. I do my research, guys. So I'm gonna answer a question from somebody that asked about a part that you know what? Yeah, let's cut to the B-roll. Guys, I am falling in love with my car more and more every single day. I'm telling you right now, oh, this is the pup, yeah, so I got more parts coming, guys. Tinted windows coming in for sure. New wheels, I don't know. Maybe, possibly coming soon. Stay up to date. And also, yep, this spoiler, it just works. It just all works. I got MST decal right there because they are always really helping me out. And yep, carbon fiber. Mirror caps by Kies Motorsports. Go get yourself some. And front lip too by Kies Motorsports. Guys, I'm excited for what's happening here. Yes, anyways, let's get to the video. It actually wasn't called B-roll, it's like the intro bumper, but anyways, guys, hey, welcome back, guys. I'm answering your questions live on YouTube, so if you leave a question in the comments, I will feature you, regardless of what the question is. You know, if you're being a troll, I'm gonna try to answer your question properly, because that's what's deserved, right? And if you're wrong on some things, I'm gonna address it with much love, but hey, I gotta correct some people. So I got this question by Vong, I think that's a question, that basically you don't need a charge pipe for stage 1, stage 2 BM3 tune. So if you flash tune your car, he's basically saying that you don't need a charge pipe. Now check this out, man. Yes, you do. And that video was specifically made for the 320i N20 motor, which in fact, I was advised by pro tuning freaks themselves that the charge pipe tends to fail on these cars. If you don't believe me, here is a screenshot of my conversation with pro tuning freaks. We were addressing a different problem because I couldn't get the GTS Roar to actually function properly. And then I jumped into another discussion about like, hey, what other parts should I, replace? What other parts should I be looking into to make sure that my car won't blow up? And they said the charge pipe tends to fail. Here are the screenshots. So guys, that's right there. I mean, what proof do you need? Pro tuning freaks themselves know that the charge pipe tends to fail on the N20 motors. I'm not saying all BMWs, obviously that's not what that video is about. That charge pipe video was an installation on an N20 video. So the B58 has a pretty sturdier charge pipe than the N20. The N20, you can actually squeeze it and it's like almost like rubber material. Like it's just very flimsy. The B58 motor on this, it's actually like almost metal. It's like a harder, dense material. It's not quite completely plastic and not quite metal. I'm not sure maybe it's silicone, I'm not sure. But hey, it's a lot sturdier and I'm not advised to change it on the B58 motor. So guys, yeah, you do need a charge pipe. For the N20 motor, if you want to tune in, you want to be safe, guess what? You're adding a lot more pressure, a lot more boost pressure, a lot more airflow to flow through the charge pipe. Especially when you tune it, you're adding quite a bit amount of pressure. The Pro Tuning Freaks actually states that you're adding about 86 more horsepower to the wheels, or to the crane, but you're adding 86 more horsepower, which means that's a lot heck of more boost than your stock engine. So guess what? That charge pipe, the way that it is and how flimsy it is and the material that is, yeah, it's gonna fail and it's gonna leave you stranded. So if you want to take my advice, just pay that, what is it, like 150 bucks for an FTP charge pipe, the one that I got. I mean, guys, it's a no-brainer. It's under $200 to get a charge pipe that will help your motor just be just more sustainable with this tune for the long run. So why would you not want to do it? Like, if you want to play, you gotta pay to play, guys. Anyways, hope that helped. Vog, look, much love, but brother, I had to just correct you. I'm sorry about that, but I'm bringing value to all of you. So guys, I'm gonna encourage you, drop a question, and I'm gonna make a video like this give you a shout out and just feature you. Because guys, I read the comments. I really do. I'm in there. I'm engaging with my audience. So guys, thank you so much for the question. And make sure you sub, because I do a lot of these videos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you next week, family. I'll see you.